Hello friends! Welcome to Crazy Srimanta. We'll improve our English speaking skills and learn something new. So if you're ready, stay with me until the end. Now, let's get started.
Welcome to the coffee shop.
It looks amazing.
I love the atmosphere.
It feels warm and cozy.
Let's find a table.
Sure, follow me.
This place is perfect. This window seat is perfect
I love the city view.
and peaceful.
I feel relaxed here.
Let's sit here.
Great choice.
This is my favorite spot. I'd like a latte, please.
One cappuccino for me.
Can we get 2 muffins? Thank you.
Our order is ready soon.
Let's wait over there. The coffee smells wonderful.
I can't wait to taste it.
This cafe is very relaxing.
I completely agree.
The service is fast.
That's impressive.
I'm enjoying this place. This latte is delicious.
My cappuccino is perfect.
The muffin is soft and fresh.
It tastes amazing.
We should come here again.
I'd love that.
This was a great visit. This window seat is perfect.
The view is beautiful.
I like watching people outside.
Me too.
It's peaceful here.
I feel relaxed.
Let's enjoy the... What's your favorite coffee?
I love cappuccino.
I prefer a latte.
Both taste great.
Coffee makes me happy.
It gives me energy.
I completely agree. This cake looks delicious.
Let's share it.
Here's your piece.
Thank you.
It's soft and tasty.
I love chocolate cake.
Me too. Does this cafe have Wi-Fi?
Yes, it's free.
That's convenient.
I can finish my work here.
I'll check my emails.
Great idea.
This cafe is very useful. I had a wonderful time.
So did I.
Let's come again next week.
I'd love that.
We'll try a new coffee.
And another dessert.
Have you tried vanilla latte?
Not yet.
It's my favorite.
I'll try it today.
I hope you like it.
I'm sure I will.
Let's order. The barista is very skilled.
Look at that latte art.
It's beautiful. He works so quickly.
Making coffee is an art. I agree.
It's fun to watch. Which dessert do you like?
I love brownies.
I prefer cheesecake.
Both are delicious.
Let's order one.
Great idea.
I can't wait. This is a good place to study.
It's quiet and comfortable.
I can focus here. Let's practice English.
Every day.
We'll improve together. Let's take a coffee selfie.
Great idea.
Smile!
Cheese.
The photo looks fantastic. I'll save it.
What a wonderful memory.
This sofa is very comfortable.
I could sit here all day.
The atmosphere is relaxing.
It feels like home.
I really like this cafe.
So do I.
Let's stay a little longer. These cookies smell amazing.
They look fresh too.
Try one.
Thank you.
Is it delicious?
It's perfect.
I love it. What are your weekend plans?
I'll visit my family.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I'll read a new book.
Enjoy your weekend.
Thank you. I had a wonderful time today.
Me too.
This cafe is fantastic. We should come again. Definitely. Which cake do you want?
The chocolate cake.
I'll choose cheesecake.
Both look delicious.
Let's share them.
Great idea.
I can't wait. This iced coffee looks amazing.
Let's taste it.
It's so refreshing.
I love the flavor.
Perfect for a warm day.
Absolutely.
I'll order it again. Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, every day.
I like English books.
I enjoy mystery novels.
Reading improves vocabulary.
That's true.
Let's read together. The music is beautiful.
It's very relaxing.
I love this song.
Me too.
It makes the cafe special.
I completely agree.
Let's enjoy it. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
The payment is complete.
Here's the receipt.
Thank you very much. The coffee smells wonderful.
Fresh beans make a difference.
I learned something new today.
Me too.
This is fascinating. Which beans do you prefer?
I like dark roast.
I prefer medium roast.
Both smell amazing.
The aroma is rich.
It's incredible.
Let's buy a pack. Good afternoon.
Welcome. Your coffee is always excellent. Thank you so much.
We really enjoy this cafe.
Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
I need to finish my project.
I'll help you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This place is perfect for work. It's quiet and comfortable. I can focus here. I'll take my coffee to go.
Me too.
The service was excellent.
I completely agree.
This corner is very quiet.
It's perfect for talking.
I like peaceful places.
Me too.
Let's relax here.
Great idea.
I'm comfortable now. What time do you wake up?
Around 6.
That's early.
I enjoy morning walks.
I drink coffee first.
Then I read the news.
That's a good habit. This croissant looks fresh.
It smells wonderful.
Try a piece.
Thank you.
Is it tasty?
Yes, it's delicious.
I'm glad you like it. What's your favorite hobby?
I enjoy photography.
I love reading books.
That's wonderful.
Hobbies make us happy. I completely agree. We should enjoy them often. It's raining outside.
The view is beautiful.
I love rainy days.
Coffee tastes even better now.
The sound is relaxing.
I feel peaceful.
Me too. I love sitting outside.
The weather is perfect.
The fresh air feels nice.
It makes the coffee better.
This place is beautiful.
I completely agree.
Let's stay here a while. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Which place do you want to visit?
The mountains.
I prefer the beach.
Both are wonderful.
Let's travel someday. My phone battery is low.
Mine too.
Let's charge them here.
Good idea.
This cafe has everything.
It's very convenient.
I like this. I learned 3 new words today.
That's great.
Practice makes perfect.
Exactly.
Let's speak only English.
I'm ready.
Let's start now. Thank you for everything.
We had a great time.
The service was excellent. This seat is so cozy.
The fireplace feels warm.
I love this atmosphere.
It's very relaxing.
Winter coffee is the best.
I agree completely.
Let's enjoy it.
That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the next video too. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye-bye.